Hey guys, it's your girl Real Bethy B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Whatever platform you are seeing this video, either on YouTube or Facebook, kindly subscribe and follow respectively. It means you support what I do and also a way of boosting my platforms. If you have already done that, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate your support. And if you have not done that already, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. But before we get into today's video, Happy New Year. Have a fantabulous one, a fabulous one. May your prayers, your wishes come to pass. Moving on, in this video, I will tell you one key thing you shouldn't play with in this year and onwards. You know, we age every second, and as we age, our strength physically, I mean biological wise, our strength do not remain same. So there is a need to take proactive measures. On that note, it is no other thing than exercise. I know you cannot overemphasize the benefits of exercise. And it could be that your December was dirty and now you don't like how you're feeling or how you look, and you think going to the gym will help you achieve that. But unfortunately, no day.
Sorry about that.
Well, there is an alternative and a very good option, which is home workout. How can you start that? And in order to do that, you have the answers in your palm. Yes, you have the answers. Get that smart device of yours, head to the Google Store, the App Store, search for free home workout applications, install, and let the journey begin. If you would like me to make a recommendation for you, kindly leave that in the comment section below and I will gladly do that. Have this at the back of your mind that multiple routes leads to the market. Either you go to the gym or you do your exercise at the comfort of your home. The goal is to get that desired result of yours, and before you can make that a realization, there is a need for you to be self-disciplined, be determined. Do I really want this? Do I really want to do this? Am I ready to do this? And when you are able to answer all of that, I must say that it is not going to be easy starting off, but when you set your mind to it, the rest is gonna be history. I hope you find this video helpful. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment on my videos, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.